Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MDTECH here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the video TDR failure Nvlddmkm.Sys blue screen error you are experiencing on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing we're going to do is open up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on the display adapter section, and then whatever display adapter is listed under here, assuming it's the Nvidia display driver, go ahead and right click on it and select uninstall device, select uninstall, and then once you're done with that, go ahead and restart the computer. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up a web browser. I'm going to have a link to an automatic Nvidia driver download tool, so you can just copy that and paste it into your URL address bar. It might need Java, which if you do not have, you're going to have to go install it, and they'll give you a link to it on the page, but I will have a link to it in the description of the video as well. So go ahead and install Java here. It says click the Java icon to install Java. So that's what we're going to do first here. We're going to agree and then go ahead and install it. Alright, so once that's done, go ahead and click on close. You will have to go ahead and restart your computer now, so just go ahead and restart your computer. And once your computer signs back in, just head over to the Nvidia link I have in the description of the video, let it go and download and install whatever drivers are applicable for your computer, and that's about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.